Hi, I have Trane CleanEffects whole house air filtration system with my furnace, and I've just noticed that the pre-filter light is blinking 3 times. It is different from the way it blinks when I need to clean the pre-filter. Can you please tell me if there is any error and how to fix it? Thanks.
Hi. Are you getting any error codes or blinking lights on your Trane furnace? How old is it?
Probably made in 2008-09.
How long has this been going on with your Trane furnace? What have you tried so far?
Haven't tried anything yet, and I just saw it yesterday.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Thanks, that's all.
Hi, my name is Tamar. I'm your personal HVAC/appliance expert on JustAnswer. First of all, I would like to thank you for using JustAnswer. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your equipment today. I know firsthand how frustrating that can be. If you give me a few moments, I will provide a response to you on your issue. Please afford me the same patience I will afford you when it comes to responding. I will do my best. Am human, may be in the field, and cannot respond instantaneously. Hope you are doing well today. Is the unit latched properly? Have you tried hitting the reset button? A blinking pre-filter light means the filter is dirty and should be cleaned. I dug up the literature and was unable to find anything else the blinking could indicate. It sounds like the pre-filter, and possibly cells, need a very good thorough cleaning. I would clean them, let them dry, reinstall, relatch, and then hit the reset button. If you still encounter this issue, the air cleaner may be faulty.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.